It's time for a legal minute with the law offices of Cooley Shrair in Springfield, and we're joined by attorney Susan Mielnikowski. Susan, we're talking about those 3 documents that everyone needs.
Indeed. When you reach the age of 18, you're a legal adult and you should have 3 basic documents in your estate planning: healthcare proxy, power of attorney, and a will. Let's talk about the first 2, healthcare proxy and a power of attorney. Those are documents that will enable somebody to act on your behalf if you're ever unable to do it for yourself. A moment of incompetence, think coma, car accident, Alzheimer's. It allows your family to act quickly, easily, and they're relatively inexpensive. The final document is a will that will allow somebody to be appointed on behalf of your estate when you're not here and give them instructions on who to inherit your assets when you're gone.
Now let's talk about a trust, because I hear this word pop up all the time.
Trust is an additional document we might advise for a client depending on their needs, and what we like to do is have a client come in and tell us what goals they're trying to accomplish, and a trust might be the right fit to accomplish those goals. We use them for children with special needs, second families, estate taxation planning, delaying vesting until your children reach an age of maturity beyond college. Various different reasons we may use them. We usually like a client to tell us what goals they're trying to accomplish, and we'll see if a trust can fit those.
So in other words, a trust is entrusting someone else with what you've accumulated over your life.
Absolutely, well said.
Now, something that scares a lot of people out there, I know, it's probate. You hear that term and people freeze a little bit, but what is it?
Probate is probate court. It is the court system whereby somebody's will is presented to the court when they've passed away and validated as their final last will. It avoids forgeries and makes sure that things are operated in the manner that somebody designated within their will. Not as scary as people think. There are reasons to avoid probate, but in a general sense, it's not something that people should panic about. And certainly with a good advocate like our office or somebody else, you could certainly get through probate without too much hassle.
So moral of the story, don't stress out, but talk to someone who knows what they're doing.
Well said.
Thank you so much for joining us
today.
Thank you. That was your Legal Minute, and for more information, just give them a call, 413-781-0750, or just visit CooleyShrair.com.